This is a Heddon 315. Picked it up from the estate of a collector friend and cleaned it up the other night. The still picture shows what it looked like on the inside. It was kind of rough and the clicker wasn't working very well. Now that it's been cleaned and serviced, it works great. And while the clicker spring had been replaced, I've restored the clicker function. I'm pretty happy with it. So like some of the other 3 series reels from Heddon, they have oil ports on the bearing caps. You just twist the little ear around and align the hole with the bearing. In this case, it aligns with the top of the reel. You see the little hole in there. They have one on the crank collar and on the other bearing, and there's also a little flap that you can open up on the front of the reel and apply oil. When you're cleaning up the old reels, just remember that grease goes on the gears at the base of the teeth and you oil the bearings. Use as little as possible and follow tips in the Old Reel Collectors Association Reel Restoration Guide or the new video about the 2018 ORCA Restoration Workshop. Those are available from the ORCA store. Information is shown in the text of this post.